Your spirit loves to communicate through symbols and messages, and today's symbolic image is a rainbow fish. It is considered one of the most beautiful fish in the entire world. And there was an actual book that was written about it, and in the book, this fish thought that it was so beautiful, it was so unique, it was so much grander than anybody else, that eventually it just ended up leaving all these other schools of fish behind, and it started becoming very, very lonely. And then it realized that in all of its fantastic beauty, it's all of its own uniqueness, that it still really preferred the company of everybody else. And so instead of keeping all of its beauty to itself, it started spreading all its rainbow of colors and its glitter to all the other fish scales so that they could all rise up and be beautiful too. So in this symbolic message, if you have opened this video up today, that means where can you start to let go of isolation and let go of thinking that you're alone or that you feel lost from the crowd? Where can you start spreading your lightness, your brightness to everyone and everything around you to enhance your own unity consciousness? After all, I always say we're always much stronger together than we ever have been apart. So enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you on the next symbolic message.